how to record shows on Superbox. In this video, I'm going to dig in and provide you additional information as to how you can record shows on Superbox. So first things first, it's going to be case-to-case basis depending on the make and model of the Superbox that you're using. But good thing that Superbox actually has a special feature that's going to be called a playback feature. So whether you're using the S7 Pro, the Max, Ultra, or even the Prime, you should be having this kind of feature. And take note with the storage that you have. For S7 Pro, you have 32 gig, and for S7 Max, you have 64, and so on and so forth. Now, if we head straight into the S7 Prime, you can go ahead and scroll all the way down from here. As you can see, there are a built-in feature that's going to be a playback or rewind. But unfortunately, you will not be able to record manually. It will automatically be recorded with the specific channel that you only built in for recording. And then take note of the storage that you have, because once this specific storage gets full, it will automatically stop the recording. And that's basically it. That's how you record shows on Superbox.